So when going through the screen sand process, there are two things that have to happen. You have to be sweating like a pig, and this white powder will be all over the floor. So this is totally normal as you screen sand the floor between coats. So this is what you want to see after you've screen sanded with the 220 grit screen. Nice white powdery substance all over the floor, and that's your urethane. That's completely normal, and this is what you want to see. So forget about the Harvey Bricker Weight Loss Clinic. Come work with me for a week. You're guaranteed to lose weight, and I'll pay you.